Although you have completed the task tab still remains blue. This indicates that no evidence has been uploaded yet. So let's have a quick look at how to upload that evidence. So we have completed the task. Whether that is forms or using a different evidence type, we now need to upload that evidence onto Maytas Hub. If you head to the Maytas Hub home screen, on the right hand side you will see Actions. So I'm going to click this Add Evidence button here. So the first thing we need to do is select the Essential Skills tutor. Select tasks to submit the evidence to and select Next. Upload your file here and press Next. Do you wish to map your evidence to the task? Yes. So on this page you select which task your evidence needs to be submitted towards. So in this case we're looking at AON Task 1. Click Next. You can also leave a comment to your assessor here. Here you can see the file you have attached, the task you have mapped this evidence to, and below is the message subject and the attachment file name. To make sure your evidence is clearly labelled for your assessor to access, it is important to follow the layout shown here. Remember to start with your full name, then add the task name and the date you are sending the evidence. I'm going to copy and paste that and attach it as the file name. I can now see that all these steps have turned green. I'm going to select this button to show this work is my own, and now I can press Finish. I can now see the AON Task 1 tab has changed colour to orange. This indicates that I have submitted my evidence, but it hasn't yet been marked. If you feel comfortable, you can move on to the next task. However, if you do not feel comfortable, you can wait for the feedback from your Essential Skills tutor before continuing with the tasks you have been set.